This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the tools. Install Swift Backup on your phone and enable developer options and USB debugging so ADB can connect. On your computer, install platform tools and verify connection with ADB devices. This confirms communication. Once done, plug the phone with a reliable cable and allow file transfer. Make sure the phone stays awake. You do this because Swift Backup leverages ADB for non-root access, so verifying the link now avoids failures later. Now you execute the ADB-based backup. Open a terminal and run the specific ADB backup command Swift Backup instructs, including flags like app or shared if you need apps and files. You will see a confirmation on the device. Accept it so Swift Backup can extract app data without root. Once the process finishes, copy the resulting AB or exported files to a safe folder on your PC or SD card. This maintains redundancy and lets you inspect size and timestamp to confirm success. To finish, restore using Swift Backup's restore option or run a DB restore pointing to your saved AB file. Install required APKs first if the restore needs app binaries. You should restore apps, then their data, because Android enforces package identity. If something goes wrong, re-enable USB debugging and reconnect, then verify ADB devices lists the phone and repeat the step. This often resolves permission or connection hiccups. Keep Android version differences in mind, because newer releases may
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.